All right, what's up everybody? It's been a little bit. Today's video is a little bit different. We're not really doing like a repair video or anything. We're doing a like an update. I was gonna say review, but no, we're doing an update. And I think this little crook, there we go. Yeah, so it's an update. As you can see, we're in the E55. Currently my only car. So yes, that's the big update. Is I sold my 2012 CLS. If you guys remember, back, what has it been, 7 months now, 7 8 months, whatever, 9 months, yeah. I bought a 2012 CLS 550, the silver one. We did a video comparing it to the 55 I had at the time, and it was a great car. I mean, it was genuinely a really good car. I bought it with like 99,000 miles. I sold it with 108,000 miles, so not too bad. And almost 10,000 miles in almost a year. Not bad. Most people drive like 12,000. So that was like my daily, you know, get to work and all that car. And then the E55 was like the weekend car. So yeah, now that that's sold, I've been daily driving the E55, and let's just say I very quickly remembered why I shouldn't daily drive the E55. You know, for a multitude of things, like it's got no cats, so you know, you smell like gas even if the windows are closed, because it comes in through the AC thing. And when you work in an office that's, you know, you dress nice, you work with other people in an office, when you smell like gas and exhaust fumes, it's not a good look. So yeah, that's one thing. Another thing is the car just drinks too much gas. And I mean, yeah, you know, that you guys are like, oh yeah, of course. Yeah, I mean, it's to be expected. It's got 630, you know, cc injectors, fixed pulley and all that. So yeah, I know the car, it does what it's supposed to. I mean, it's modified, it drives really good for now. I got to replace the rear shocks, and it's quick. I mean, now I put a new throttle body on it, because what it used to do was when you'd floor it, it would just cut out power to the throttle body. Like the pedal wouldn't work. You literally would have to pull over, shut the car off, do the throttle body reset procedure, and then it will start driving again. So I replaced the throttle body, and so far, knock on Mercedes AMG wood, it's running good. So we'll just have to see. But I need a new car. It's not feasible. I mean, this thing is like, it's really bad on gas. And before you guys start saying anything, yeah, the CLS 550 was a twin turbo V8, but I have pictures. I might put them in here somewhere. The car got like 25, 26 miles a gallon. It was ridiculous. I mean, for a twin turbo V8. So, you know, I already had the CLS, so I can't go down. So fingers crossed, I don't want to jinx anything, but I'm looking at a C63, a W205 to be specific, C63. I don't really care if it's an S or not. I don't care, because I'm probably just going to end up doing downpipes in a tune anyways. So it is what it is. Preferably an S, of course, because it has a different diff, it has race mode and bigger brakes and whatnot. But regardless, if a non-S deal comes up, I'll buy that too. So yeah, I'm really excited. I need a daily. And you guys may be saying, why would you buy a C63 as a daily? Didn't you just say you need a car for gas? And funny enough, I say C63. I mean, it's meant to be. There's one right across the street from me right now. Matte black. It's an edition one. That is a nice car. Yeah, that's a great looking car. But you know, it is what it is. I've looked online, and the C63 gets in the 20s miles a gallon, so it's not bad. And I mean, I'm not, you know, it's not like gas is particularly killing me or anything. It's just, I need something better, because the E55 gets 8, not 18, not 28, no, 8 miles a gallon, and it's not good. 8 miles a gallon is not good, especially when you drive 24 miles round trip to work and back every day, 5 days a week. Well, 3 days a week, because 2 days I work from home, but still, you know, and then I drive the car out when I go with my friends and all that. So it's not, I love the car to death. I'm never gonna sell it. It's not what I'm getting at. It's just not a great daily driver, because it's modified and everything. So we need something else, and I've wanted a C63 for a long time. It's been like one of my bucket cars, kind of like the E55 was. So I was like, forget it, why not? You know, I wanna get one. Yeah. So we just go sideways. Yeah, this car has absolutely zero effing traction. I just floored it. My brother's sitting right there, he'll tell you. And the car went sideways, even with traction control on. This car is disgusting. It is nasty what it does. And I love it. It's sick. But now we need to invest in a drag pack. There's a guy on one of the forums selling 16-inch CLK wheels with drag tires on it for like 500 bucks. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's tempting, but then I also need to go buy a C63. So I'm like, what do? I don't know, you guys tell me. Should we buy the drag pack? I think we should, because it's cold outside, it is boost season, and next month, my friend Jacob, the guy with the Golf R that we went to, he just got a BMW M2, super cool car, brand new M2, and he's going to the drag strip. It's a drag race, because it's drag nights, and I want to go with the E55, because we gotta do something. Last time I was there with the E55, let's just say that I may or may not have spun the whole way down the track, and I ran a 13.8. Yeah, that's horrendous. These cars are in the 12 stock. So we need to, you know, we need to fix that, and I'm excited. But this is just like a little update video for you guys, nothing crazy. I know I haven't posted in a little bit, so I was like, I gotta at least get something out there for you guys. But we've hit 1,000 subscribers. I said that in the last video, 1,000 subscribers, we can monetize, and it's only up from here. I'm super excited, thankful for all of you guys for subscribing, thankful to this machine right here for getting us there, because let's be honest here, the E55 is really what brought everybody to the channel. I know most of you only subscribed because of this car, and yeah, this thing's an absolute beast. I mean, I love this car to death. I know it's the worst E55 on the planet. Well, it was, now it's nice, but it's my E55, and I love this car. I'm never gonna sell it. I have no intentions of selling it. I've rebuilt, or my dad rebuilt the engine and the transmission. So aside from cosmetic stuff and like, well, the suspension in the front's brand new too. So, well, I just got to do a full rear end suspension kit. I got to do control arms and some other stuff, and we'll be good to go. But I'm super hyped. I love this thing, and I'm super excited to see where it goes. Funny enough, I was at SEMA last week with with my other job that I do. I was at SEMA filming for YouTube, and we got some really cool, you know, I met some cool people. And funny enough, you guys know this car is wrapped in China blue. The people that make the wrap, Tech Wrap, I met one of the guys. I think he's the owner, actually. I met him. He followed me on Instagram. Super cool guy. His name's Harvey. And I was like, yeah, here's my card. Imagine, just imagine this. I mean, he didn't say this, but imagine if he had hit me up and he's like, hey, can we use your car for SEMA? I mean, my wrap's kind of shitty because it's not the best, but I was like, yeah, what the hell? Imagine my car at SEMA. That'd be crazy. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for what's to come. You guys already know, as soon as I get a C63, we have to race it against the E55, because it's only logical. If the C63 is slower than the E55, it's getting sold. Because, you know, we need a car that's super fast. But I'm kidding, I'm super hyped. I am hyped. Let me know what you guys think. Is getting a C63 a good decision? Or should I get something like a C250 or C300? Like a 4-cylinder turbo. It gets great gas, but sounds like ass. Like gets great ass, but sounds like ass. Or gets great gas, but sounds like ass. Huh. Yeah, you guys let me know. Let me know what you think. I think C63. I have, and I already know someone's going to say in the comments, I have thought about C43, but it's not my thing. I'm sorry. Everybody that owns one, kudos to you guys. You know, probably a great car, but I just can't get behind the fact of, you know, the C-Class AMG having a V6. I mean, the new one has a 4-cylinder, so Mercedes, what are you doing? Bring this. We need supercharged V8s back. But it is what it is. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. I am super excited for what's to come with the car. A lot more things for the E55. We got a lot more things to do to this thing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.